Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following exponential equations. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. In the first example, we have 3 to the power of x multiplying 3 to the power of x plus 1 equal to 27 to the power of x. The first step is to change all the base to a base that is common. We have base of 3 in the left hand side, so therefore I'm going to change 27 to a base of 3. We have 3 to the power of x multiplying 3 to the power of x plus 1 equals, to change 27 to base of 3, that will be 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 is also equal to 27. I have that to the power of x. And applying the laws of exponents, on our left hand side, if we have a base raised to a power multiplying the same base raised to another power, the laws of exponents says we have the same base adding the powers x plus y. So if you look at the left hand side, we have a base of 3 multiplying another base of 3, therefore we add the powers. So for our left hand side, we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 equals, the other law of exponents, the power to a power, states that if I have a base raised to a power and raised to another power that's equal to the same base, multiplying the two powers, that's a to the power of xy. So therefore, for our right hand side, we have 3 multiplying x as shown, that's 3x. Simplifying, on my left hand side, I have 3 to the power of x plus x, 2x plus 1 equals 3 to the power of 3x. At this stage, note that we have the same base raised to a power on both sides, so therefore you're going to equate the powers. So what we have is 2x plus 1 equals 3x. If I move my 2x to the right hand side, I have 1 equals 3x minus 2x. Therefore, 3x minus 2x, that's x, equals to 1. Let's look at the next example. In the next example, we have 8 to the power of 3x equals 32 to the power of 2x minus 3. To change to the same base, we have 8 changing to 2 to the power of 3, because 2 times 2 times 2 will give us 8. And then we are raising this to the power of 3x as shown. To change 32 to the base of 2, we have that as 2 to the power of 5, all raised to the power of 2x minus 3. Applying the laws of exponents, that's power to a power, that states that if I have a, or a base raised to a power and raised to another power, we get to multiply the powers, and that will give us a to the power of x times y, which is xy. So we are going to do the same. We have 3 multiplying 3x, and on the right hand side, because the power outside is an expression with two terms, so we have the 5 multiplying all the content of the brackets, that's 2x minus 3. So simplifying, we have 2 to the power of 9x equals 2 to the power of 5 times 2x, that's 10x, and 5 times minus 3, that's minus 15. Note that the base are the same, therefore I'm going to equate the powers on the left and on the right. We have 9x equals 10x minus 15. Moving things around, I'll start by moving my 9x to the right hand side and moving my minus 15 to the left hand side. One step at a time. I start with my minus 15, so I have 9x. Because it's moving to the left hand side, once it crosses the equality sign, the sign changes. So from minus 15, I have plus 15. That's equal to 10x. And therefore, the next step, I'm going to move my 9x to the right-hand side. I have 15 equals 10x minus 9x. Therefore, 10x minus 9x, I just switch things around. I have x equals to positive 15. Let's look at the last example. In this example, I have 3 times 5 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 75. The first step is to get rid of my 3, and because it's multiplying 5 to the power of x minus 1, applying the inverse function of multiplication, which is division, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. I have 3 in 3, that's 1, then 3 in 75, that's 25. So rewriting my equation, I have 5 to the power of x minus 1 equals 25. The next step is to change my 25 to have the same base as my left-hand side, which is 5. So I have 5 to the power of x minus 1 equals 5 squared, because 5 times 5 is 25. Now that the base are the same as shown, I'm going to equate the powers on the left and on the right. So I have x minus 1 is equal to 2. Taking my minus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes positive. That's the inverse function. So I have x equals 2 plus 1. Therefore, the value of x equals positive 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.